This is Kari straightening her hair.
Shut up, bitch.
I can see myself in the mirror.
I don't even need it, but all for you.
And me, moving at the speed of light into eternity. So today is my sister's birthday. Well, technically it was yesterday, but today's a barbecue.
And I want chicken.
Yeah, I want chicken, but I just want to say happy birthday, Shy. I hope you have a good one. Although I don't know if you ever see this, but that's okay. I'll send it to you, maybe. Happy birthday, big sister. You're old now.
What's your text message? Oh, like mommy?
Yeah, I sent her a text message. Watch. Wait, you guys can't see my password. Double your fun. Right here. Oh, you can't really see it. But it says, happy birthday, fat girl. Oh, just kidding. Well, you're old now. I mean, old like mommy old. Oh, sorry I couldn't get you nothing. Have a good one. Best wishes. I said that during school.
Is that why you were so tired?
Yeah, I was tired. So I didn't like, yeah, whatever. I gotta change my sheets.
Ew.
Shut up.
Why you
It's gonna be me.
Why you gonna say it on camera?
Well, I just had these shoes for a while. It's getting me itchy. That's nice, man. And then I will go. Okay, say bye, camera. It's not bye. It's a kiss.
Okay, bye.
Okay, now do the kiss.
I'm like scared.
Get out.
Where's the big bird?